All right, boys and girls, this video is dedicated to all the Cybertruck owners. This is a fun little video. The future is officially here, and we're now seeing magnetic wraps. Yes, just like you heard it, a wrap, the one that you pay $2,000-$3,000 to wrap your car and change colors. We're actually seeing a magnetic one that lets you change colors for $2,000 in minutes on your Cybertruck. So let's get started because we have a lot to cover. This is a fun one. All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. We are on the way to 20,000 subscribers. So just like you heard it, a U.S. company has introduced reusable and interchangeable magnetic wraps for your Cybertruck. That is insane. Now, the price is going to be around $2,000, but that's fine because that's usually what they go for, sometimes even more. So the magnetic covers are available in many different colors with a full set price of $2,000. Is a clever solution that pretty much takes advantage of the flat steel body panels of the EV, and by God, they are huge. Now, we've seen crazy wraps, you know, days in and day out, people doing crazy wraps. The fur one that I recently saw on Instagram on the Cybertruck, because it is a body that lends itself to do many wraps and be very extravagant if you want and make it all wild in color. Well, this company has created those, and they're wraps, they're magnetic wraps, so you just kind of slap them on and take them off as you want to. So let's get into the article. We have it here from Car Scoop. Again, we give credit to where credit is due when we're covering these articles. And it says, the Tesla Cybertruck bare stainless steel body already turned heads, but many owners, that's not enough as they want to make it their own. While vinyl wraps have been a go-to option for customization, which we've seen, a company called Cybertruck Covers has introduced a simpler, more versatile alternative, reusable magnetic wraps that can be applied and removed within minutes. Hey, I want to go green today. We're going to remove everything within minutes, and we're going to slap the green color. I kind of want to go purple tomorrow. Or Valentine's Day is on Friday. We're going to put the red wrap on it. Now, according to the company's website, the magnetic wraps will be soon available in wide ranges of color, including white, steel. Why would you make a steel one if the panels are already steel? Huh. Might have dropped the ball there. But anyways, white, steel, black, blue, green, desert might be a good color, gold, rose gold, copper, orange, red, and even a color shift option. That one I would like to see. So the covers are designed to fit each body panel of the Cybertruck, so there's no cutting. You just grab them and you throw them on, with the EV's sharp edges helping to conceal and expose areas around the panel gaps. Now, while reusable wraps sound like a great idea in theory, the magnetic solution is likely only due to the Cybertruck's angular design, which is pretty much flat. You're not going to be able to do it much on other vehicles. Unpainted stainless steel panels provide a smooth surface for magnetic covers to adhere, securing that is on there without actually peeling off or flying off while you're going down the road. Now, we got a picture here of it. This is actually pretty cool. You can see them here. I guess this is just a test model where you see HH, GF, things like that. But it's actually very cool and very simple, because if you actually get them rolled up, all you have to do is unroll them and slap them on. You're literally covering the whole truck. I mean, this is probably the white color. And again, this is just a test fit. But this is actually pretty cool. So besides a complete set for the entire bodywork of the EV, Cybertruck owners can also opt for a single magnetic cover for the front panel. This could also help protect against like stone chips and scratches while adding a two-tone look to the truck's front end. Production hasn't yet reached customers, but Cybertruck Covers, which is the name of the company, Cybertruck Covers, has shared prototypes photos on a social media page, a short video that I'm going to be playing on top that shows the white magnetic film smoothly rolling onto the truck's front end with the installer carefully aligning around the front light bar. Now, the cool part about this is that you're going to get people buying all these colors, and we're going to have a mismatch of colors that is going to be insane. So according to the companies, the prototype that was tested was in the cold, rainy, and gusty conditions at 80 miles per hour at highway speeds, and the magnetic held on flawlessly. Now, as for pricing, it says a full magnetic wrap is going to cost you around $2,000, regardless of the color. So it's pretty much all across the board for colors, while the front panel protector is priced at $195, which we can see in this video here that they're putting it on. That's a bargain compared to Tesla's owner's vinyl wrap for the Cybertruck, which usually starts at around $4,500. That is insane at selected service centers. Not to mention the PPF wrap, which can soar up to $7,500. Guys, if you're broke, it's because you're not putting your brain to work. And I'm one of those. I need to put my brain to work because this is insane. And this is such an easy option. And they're probably going to make and sell tons of these. Imagine you just buy the box. They're probably going to be all rolled up. You grab it, boom, you slap it on. Oh, I don't want to do green today. Boom, you take it off, you put it on. Oh, I don't want to do red, I'm going to do white, and it's literally that quick to change the color. Cybertruck's covers are not sponsors of this video. They haven't reached out to me. They haven't sent me an email. I'm just doing this to cover because I covered pretty much everything that's automotive news, and I love the idea of having the Cybertruck being able to change colors quick with magnetic wraps, and it's only going to cost you $2,000. By the way, Cybertruck covers, I don't have a Cybertruck, but if you want to send me maybe a cover for my vehicle for doing this video for you, I'll gladly take it. I'm just messing around, guys. I love to see this, and I love the automotive world continue to move forward. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Your boy is out of here.